Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming both accounts are ready. This avoids locked emails or MFA interruptions. Sign into Battle. Net on a browser and open account settings, then connections, so the option is visible. On your Xbox console, sign into your Xbox Live profile and check for system updates to prevent connectivity issues. Once done, return to Battle. Net and choose the Xbox icon under Connections to start the authorization flow. This step prepares tokens and permissions you'll grant next. You will be prompted to sign into your Xbox account from the Battle Net page. This authenticates both services. Allow the permissions Battle Net requests so it can read your gamer tag and game entitlements. This is why authorization matters. Carefully review the account names shown. If you have multiple battle tags or family profiles, make sure you pick the correct battle tag and Xbox gamer tag to avoid mislinked progress. Once you confirm Battle Net and Xbox exchange tokens and queue the actual link. You finish by verifying the connection inside Battle Net connections. Look for the Xbox entry and linked status. Then restart your Xbox and launch the Blizzard or Activision game to force cloud sync so entitlements, progress, and purchases appear. This step completes the handshake. If something goes wrong, check multi-factor prompts, parental controls on the Xbox profile, and that both accounts use confirmed emails. If linking still fails, unlink and repeat the authorization flow after confirming no conflicting accounts exist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.